Hi besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's your girl Gigi, and I picked up a couple of things. It's not enough stuff to make a whole rigmarole over, but I did want to show them to you really quickly before we get into the art. Now, you did see one of the things yesterday when I put up Wednesday on the Black Lives Matter set. And here's the thumbnail of that. And what that was, actually you saw two things because I used these as well. But what that was the markart Beauty and Salon Nail Art Tips in Coffin. When I opened the package from Amazon, I cut like this and the package was up there, and so it accidentally got cut off, which is kind of a bummer, but you know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So there are 500 tips in here, which is pretty standard, and they're not the gel kind, they're just plastic, but that's fine because I'm going to be using them for practice. I'm not going to be, you know, like creating tips to sell with these. If I were going to do that, I would buy the gel tips, and I am considering doing that, so let me know if you think I should try that. But they do come with this little, most tips do, with this little nonsense at the bottom. So make sure you file that off before you start using it, as I learned many, many times the hard way. But I've had a good time using them already. Like I said, you saw them on Wednesday. Oh, sorry for the shakies. Sorry for the shakies. When I did the Black Lives Matter nails. I'm still so obsessed with that set, you guys. I'm looking at it right now. Here, let me grab it. Let me grab that whole set. Guys, I felt inspired, and I just think that, I hope you think too, that I just really captured the spirit of the movement. So I'm not done with that. I want to do a brighter set, because that one's kind of dark, and I want to do one that's more bright. But we'll see what I can come up with. Now the two other things I got, one of the other things I got were these glue dots. Now here's the thing, like the tips, those were $12. These were $12. And what you have in here is 2,500 glue dots, and they look like this. Okay, and all you really have to do, let me empty one of these. This is how you just take it right off. Now you do have to come in with like some tweezers, or what I like to use is my nippers, and just grab the glue and pull it out. It does come out though. And really all I do is take this and press it directly on there. Pull up. And now you're ready to place a tip on there. And they stay on really, really nicely. They're not perfect. I mean, if you get alcohol under there, or sometimes if you have to file the nail, you might get dust under there. It might come a little loose. Take it off, put on a new one. They're not expensive. And this bag, like I said, was like $12. And there's 2,500 in here. So that's gonna go for 5 packs of these. So you are not going to have to replace this even as fast as you're replacing your tips. Okay, the other thing I got, which you will be seeing me use on the channel a bunch, and starting today, is this set of markart matte top coat, regular shiny top coat, and base coat. So I'm excited to be giving this a try. Let's go in and see how thick. Ooh, this is really tight, you guys. Let me see if I can open that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I might have to, I cannot open this. Sorry, that was my best friend sending me a text message. Oh, guys, I cannot get this open. Hold on. Okay, guys, I had to grab a rubber glove and a pair of pliers to pop it open. Oh, my God. Okay, so now that we have it open, let's check the thickness on this. This is the matte top coat. Oh, look. Wow, it's it is so thick. Look at that. And you can see the matteness of it even while it's wet. That's kind of cool. I can't wait to try that. Okay, and here is the top coat. Oh, that one opened better. Whew. Okay, this one not quite as thick. It's got a nice drip on it though. Do you see that? Let's get another one there. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna like this. This is gonna be fun. And let's see what's up with this base. Okay, that one opened easier too. Very thick as well. Oh my goodness. Sometimes base coats are a little bit thinner, so that is going to be super fun. Okay guys, I'm going to put some fresh tips on these stands and I will be back to start a little bit of art. And here we go. Now what I'm doing is, I've never actually done this before. I have seen other nail artists on other channels do it. But I'm going to go ahead and use some builder gel on this nail because I want to do a little encapsulation situation. I am coming in with some Cover Pink and just making a little nail bed out of it. And I'm going to do that on all of the nails, but I'm not going to show you all of the same thing over and over. Now, I'm not really building this up very high. I just want to go in with a tiny bit more because I want the opacity. That's it. You can see I'm not really building it up. I'm just bringing it down a little bit, a very thin layer, just to give me more of a almost full opaque look. And if you get a little down there like I just did, you can always come in with a little cleanup brush and clean that up. And you can certainly do a different shape if you want to come in for more of a dramatic, really cool, like one of the really long nail beds, an extended nail bed. That's the term I'm looking for. And I am just going to come in here and smooth that out a little and make sure that the edge is nice and sharp before we come in with what's going to be on the tip, which is actually going to be clear. It's you'll see. You saw the thumbnail coming in. You know what we're going to do. And I'm just going to clean that up. And we're going to come in with some green and some blue that I thinned out with a little bit of top coat, just to give me more of a sheer jelly nail sort of situation. And this one's, they both got a little glitter in it, although I do enhance that glitter in just a second. Now I'm going to come in with two little hearts, because these are ocean nails and I love the ocean. So I had these green little hearts that I hadn't used yet, and I just really wanted to stick them in here. And you know, I like to add a little something to the thumbnail. And I'm going to cure that, and we are just going to keep going here, adding the color and whatever we're going to add to it, which in most, 2 of the nails don't get anything added. 2 of the other nails will get added. I got a little bit up there on the pink, but we can wipe that right off, which I do. I just don't show you. And I'm just swirling those 2 colors together, the blue and the green, to give sort of like a watery situation, an oceany vibe, you know, where I'm sure all of you have, hopefully all of you have been lucky enough to go to the ocean. And in certain places, the water will be different colors because the tide is rolling in and it's pulling up dirt, and there's different depths. So you'll see things in a different way. So it's really, I love the ocean. I love to be at the beach. And I don't live near the beach anymore, and I really miss it. When I lived in San Diego, I went to the bay all the time. Now what I'm going to do is add a little more shine to this to give more of a water feel with this white green sort of shifty glitter. Sorry, kind of lost myself there. Here we are coming in with another bit of swirliness together. And we're going to add some more little shells and starfish in there. And this is why I wanted to encapsulate, so that they wouldn't be sticking out. They would be nice, smooth nails. And it looks more like water if those are underneath the gel. And now, like I said, a couple of them, I just wanted to add a little more shine. So at the end there, I liked that glitter so much, I came back, added a little more polish, and added a little more glitter, just to give us that sparkly shine of water. Because that's why we like glitter, it looks like water. When our ancestors would be out looking for places to stay and settle, they would always be looking for places with water, and water glitters in the sunshine, and that's why we like shiny things. At least so I've read. So I've read. I am not an anthropologist, or is that right? Anthropologist? I think so. So I cannot say. Now I did file these just the tiniest bit to smooth them, but they really didn't need much. So we're going to come in with some top coat and see that glittery shine. Be sure on your way out you click my buttons and let me know what you thought of this look. And in case you didn't notice, we almost have 100 subscribers. So that means we're getting really close to giveaway time. So make sure you share this video. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this set. I love this set. It is so pretty. I need to get some clear builder gel for myself so I can do something like this on my own nails. Because, oh my goodness, look at that glittery shine. Oh, here they are, all finished, you guys. And that's the markart top coat too. That's really shiny and nice. I like it. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.